Hi, I'm Arne. I'm one of those people who are always on the move. And this is a big advantage for me in my job as a product manager for Mercedes-Benz. I love traveling around the globe. And I've been fortunate enough to visit many different countries all over the world. And for example, I spent some time working for Mercedes-Benz in Beijing. These experiences helped me to understand different cultures, allowing me to create more meaningful connections to our customers. And right now, I'm proud to present you the new GLC.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, I just can't wait to drive the car a little bit faster than this. Isn't it a beauty? I hope you like the new GLC as much as I do. With over 1.5 million units sold in the last decade, it is our most popular SUV and a true story of success. So we made sure that the new model is an eye-catcher. In this segment, design is key. What are the most important design aspects of the new GLC? It has a sporty, bolder look in the front and in the rear. LED headlamps and taillights are now standard. And it offers attractive new wheel designs all the way up to 20 inches. Now, as you know, connectivity is a game changer. This is why our MBUX with Hey Mercedes is now standard. And what I like the most about it, it is so easy to use. You now have many different intuitive ways to interact with your car, by voice, by touch, or even touchless with our new MBUX interior assistant. Last but not least, we offer a completely new engine lineup with both gasoline and diesel options. They are more powerful and more efficient. With all these improvements coming to the new GLC, I'm sure this success story will continue. Thank you very much.